How to bind your document. Before you start, you will need a comb binding kit available from the ground floor advice point in the library. These consist of a black cardboard back cover, a clear front cover, and a binding comb large enough to fit your documents. Once you have a kit, hold the comb with the spines face up and pointing away from you. Place the comb behind the pins on the machine. Pull the lever towards you slowly so it opens the comb. You should see the small hooked teeth move into the comb spines and bring them towards you. Next, check the sliders against the paper size you need. A4 is the standard. If you need to change the paper size, turn the wheel until the block lines up with the paper size you want. Using scrap paper, test the hole punch. Place paper into the slot, hold it at the top, and pull the lever fully down to punch through. The paper should have solid blocks cut out and no partial holes. If you're happy with the result, punch holes in the clear front cover and black back cover at the same time so the holes match. Holding the back cover vertically, gently move it onto the spines and lay it flat on the machine. Hold your document upright in front of you and then turn it to the left so that when holes are punched your document will read like a book. Remember, make sure you have your document positioned correctly. It's not easy to fix if you punch holes on the wrong side. Punch no more than 5 sheets of paper at a time. Then move each section of paper onto the spines of the comb, starting with the back page facing the back cover. Repeat until you've placed the pages on the spines and put the clear front cover on as well. Move the lever gently backwards until the comb spines are released. Then lift your completed document off the machine. Please contact the library if you have any queries. Our contact details are available on the library website.